Welcome to Black Energy Vietnam. We are manufacturer and exporter of smokeless charcoal and BBQ grills oven from Vietnam. We are standing outside one of our charcoal smokeless factory. This factory has size of almost 1,000 meters square and its capacity is about 81 tons per month. Today we are going to find out how sawdust briquette charcoal is made and how we are controlling its quality.
The input ingredients are type 1 timber collected from nearby furniture and handicraft villages. In order to settle 1 ton of final charcoal, it'd need 4 tons of input sawdust. The material is then put into impurities removal engine before shaping in briquetting process.
We are at material gathering area. In our experience, the quality of final charcoal essentially depends on 80% of input sawdust characteristics. They are wood style, moisture content, and the particle size.
The sorted material is dried then heat pressed. This process releases lignin as the inherent binder to adhesive then form the charcoal shape. The significant factors to evaluate the quality of the charcoal are the color and firmness. The firmness of the briquette mostly depends on the control of the humidity and temperature during the pressing process.
The sawdust, after being heat pressed at high temperature and pressure, shall become this briquette. This briquette, after being cooled off from 2 to 3 hours, will be transferred into brick kiln for the carbonization process. This is the most important step.
The kiln is made out of brick and mud as mortar. Loading and unloading processes are carried out through 2 opposite doors and sealed before the ignition.
The temperature and atmosphere in the kiln are strictly and periodically controlled, and whole of this carbonization process takes about 14 days to ensure the high quality of the final charcoal. In the next step, our head of QC department shall demonstrate our charcoal quality evaluation method.
My duty is checking charcoal quality before exporting. There are several steps and we have some specific device, but we still need considerable experience and skill to have this job done.
The first element is the appearance of the charcoal. The qualified charcoal should has glossy black color and proper firmness, as you could hear the metal sound like when we knock them together. In order to precisely evaluate the carbon content, we shall measure the resistor of the charcoal. The lower the resistance of the coal, the higher the carbon content will be.
Therefore, we will use this specific oven to inspect the color of the burning charcoal, sparkness, temperature, burning time and ash color.
Our quality control procedure is performed on 2 to 3 samples per kiln. Charcoal collected for inspection is taken from different positions in the furnace to ensure that the quality of the furnace is evenly matched.
The ash amount after whole briquette charcoal is burned out will be collected to evaluate ash content. Depending on the type of sawdust material, our kilns are maintained at around 800 Celsius degrees for 14 continuous days to ensure that the sawdust is completely converted into charcoal.
And that's our sawdust briquette charcoal production process. Black Energy Vietnam committed to providing our client with the best quality product with our best efforts in product and service quality enhancement. Black Energy Vietnam is step by step striving to become the leading manufacturer and exporter of charcoal and barbecue grill oven in Vietnam. For more information about our business, our product and services, please access to our homepage. Thank you for watching this video.